Pete here with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com with a great update on the Paycheck Protection Program. So just so you know, the Paycheck Protection Program originally gave borrowers a short amount of time to pay back the money. It could actually be forgiven under certain terms, and now the terms are changed. They're a lot more flexible. So Trump just signed this today. It passed the Senate and the House unanimously, and it amends the CARE Act. It's called the Paycheck Protection Flexibility Act, or the PPP Flexibility Act. So what it does is extends the PPP program to the end of the year. So the application deadline does remain June 30th, 2020. It increases the amount of time borrowers have to use the loan from 8 to 24 weeks. So that means you have 8 weeks, you will not be penalized, but you have up to 24 weeks to use the funds. It decreases the amount of mandatory payroll from 75 to 60%. So that means a lot of the funds could be used a lot more flexibly and you can still get it forgiven. It extends a forbearance period from the loan to from 6 months to a year. That means you have no repayment terms for up to a year. And extends the rehire exemption from the business from June 30th to December 31st. So once President Trump got the bill, it got signed into the law, and the SBA and the Treasury will now need new guidance to institute this with the Paycheck Protection Program. The good thing is that, I'm not trying to pick on the government, but it was very strict before, it may be too strict, and there was no guidance on how to make sure your relief was done. There is paperwork for the relief, but this is actually good that it got extended to give people more flexibility, because every business owner knows payroll is not the only expense in a business. There's a lot of other expenses, even though payroll is part of it. So going from that 75 to 60 probably makes a lot more sense because so many people were complaining about the cost of their lease and everything like that, and saying, well, you know, if I'm spending all this on payroll, I can't pay my lease, and the numbers just didn't work for them, like a lot of small businesses. So, all right, Pete Gustis here with the Small Business Resource Center. Smash the like button if this helped you. It's somewhere over here. I am going to be making an update video on EDIL and PPP questions. I was actually making that when I got this important message. So it's going to be done today or tomorrow. So if you want that information, subscribe as well. Have a great day.